Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your Apple developer membership is active and you're signed in. Connect the iPhone to your Mac. Use Finder on Catalina or later, or Xcode's devices window. Once the device appears, select it and reveal the identifier labeled Udid. Copy that long hex string, you'll paste it into the developer portal. Make sure the device is unlocked and trusted. If the device prompt appears, tap Trust so the Mac can read the Udid. You now sign into Developer. Apple.com, navigate to Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles and choose Devices. Click Add, then pick the platform and paste the Udid you copied. Give the device a recognizable name, for example, John iPhone 14 Pro, so you can find it later. After you submit, the portal validates the format and registers the device. Once added, it becomes available for provisioning profiles. Make sure to update any relevant profiles to include this newly registered device. With the device registered, open Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles and update the provisioning profile that will sign your app. Add the new device to that profile, regenerate the profile, and download it. Then, in Xcode, refresh signing, select the updated profile, and rebuild to install on the device. If you hit a problem, the Udid won't accept or app won't install, double-check the Udid string, ensure the device is trusted by your Mac, and confirm you're in the correct developer account with permission to modify profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.